I'm Matt McCranie, farmer and firefighter from Claremont, South Dakota, northeast part of the state. We were playing around with using the foam in our calv system we've got on a brush truck, a 60 CFM calved unit. Wanted to see how it would perform in that system, and basically just loaded it up and sprayed on the side of the quant. So let's see what it does. And this is just wet foam. We didn't choke down the water or nothing to try to get a medium or dry foam out of it. That's through a smoothbore nozzle, and it stuck really well. We actually were playing around with what we had in there for the typical Class A foam that we used before this, and it definitely did not stick to the wall as well as this stuff did. Some other people from another department there, I said, hey, we're testing this, come look. And that was what his big comment was. Like, he was really impressed with it. So we're like, all right, this will work.